how to make slime. But before you watch this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell button. So guys, here are all of the ingredients. We have glue, baking soda, water, shaving cream, food coloring, and lastly, contact lens. So now we will add all of the ingredients. We'll add the glue. Now we're going to add the baking soda. One. Now we'll add the water, guys. Now we'll mix it. Now we'll add the shaving cream, guys. Now we'll mix it, guys. Now we will add the food coloring, guys. Now let's add the food coloring, guys. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's mix it, guys. Wow. Look at it, guys. Nice. It's making pink. Guys, look, I'm having pink slime, guys. Wow, it's really nice pink slime. But it looks like a hot pink with a little bit of red. It's nice color. Let's keep on mixing, guys. Look at that, it's making bubbles, guys. Wow, look at it. another contact lens, guys. Now we'll add it, guys. First, now we'll add this. Now we'll mix it, guys. After 5 minutes, we will check the slime if it's fluffy or not. If it's not fluffy to you, add more contact lens. I think it's okay now, guys. Let's go check it. Now the slime is fluffy. We'll try and play with it. So we'll get out the spoon. Get out all that sticky. Oh, it's just right. Put the slime at my table. Guys, now we'll try and touch it. Wow, guys, it's really stretchy. Wow, it's not sticking at my table. Wow, guys, look at it. Oh, but it is sticking at my hands. Wow, look at it, guys. It's sticky at my hands. I make a pink slime. So guys, if you want the slime not to be sticky, put lotion at your hands and put all over your hands and pretend that you're washing your hands. See guys, it's not sticky at my hands, just a little bit. See? Now I can play the slime, very fun. See guys? I can make it something. See guys, it's a heart. And see you guys next time at Eurecah's Corner. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the bell button so that you don't miss any new videos. Mwah! I love you guys. Bye!